sweetheart.
Thank you. Thank you. I wish I heard that from my ex. Do you feel high as a lion? Feel the need and the greed? Do you dabble in the fire when the devil is asleep? Do you like a brother woman? Let your hands say what they want.
Got it.
Do you like to be the villain?
I do.
If you do, then come on. If you think you're some demented miscreant, well, no ahead and then I got some way it should be. And if you think that you're unworthy, cause inside your way disturbing, baby, come along with me. Angry baby turned into a crazy child who got wild and sick. Angry lady, still be misbehaving, your brain sick, just like me. You know I'm mad. You know I'm mad. You know, are you down in the daylight?
Sometimes.
Are you happy when it rains?
Oh my god, yeah.
Does the night make you up?